Good news, KRA has updated the Non-eTIMS Excel template and you can now upload expenses even without the supplier's KRA PIN number. I've been getting many questions from people asking, what if I bought business items but I don't have the supplier PIN? Now here is the good news. KRA has updated the Non-eTIMS Excel template, so if you have the supplier or the business name, proof of payment like M-Pesa or bank statement, a receipt or a purchase evidence, you can now fill the template and leave the supplier KRA PIN number section blank if you don't have it. So your upload will still be approved. But remember, you still need to upload the proof of your payment, such as M-Pesa statements, bank payment details, the receipts, and any other purchase evidence just as before. This is a very big relief for freelancers, small businesses or any kind of a business, and anyone that was struggling with the supplier PIN details. So don't forget to subscribe for more KRA and tax updates simplified. Thank you for watching.